I'm sorry guys, I took off the handcuffs.
I'll go if you go, if you're cool with that.
This morning she was like, need to. Hi. We are the E-R-N-A from Era.
So today we are sorry. We haven't posted for a long time. I know that all of our fans are like writing right now. They're outside my house. Outside, all of our fans are like out. They have pitchforks and they just want us to make a video, so that's what we're doing. Okay, and we have handcuffs.
In a non-kinky way.
Yeah, well they're not fluffy and pink.
Basically.
So I don't mind.
Oh, sorry.
By popular demand, for 24 hours, we are going to handcuff ourselves, 3 of us, together.
This is not going to end well. 11:53.
So we're going to do this right now. So
Wait, no, rules. So the only rule is that we can't take it off. And that's it, guys.
Obviously.
Yeah, so sorry for not posting a video in a while. Next week there's also going to be a video, hopefully.
Yes!
Yeah.
We actually have
A really
a
good
video. It's gonna be great. You guys are gonna love it, hopefully. If you don't, I'm sorry, but that's not my fault.
Cuff me.
Okay, well, tell me.
Sorry, my hands are like so sweaty.
Oh, okay.
How tight do you want it? Do you want it tighter?
Loose. One more. There you go.
I think that's good. Yeah. So this is us for 24 hours.
Please enjoy the video. Please.
Oh, this is We're going to sit down and watch part 4 of Shane's Jake Paul thing. So yeah.
Hi, we're still here. We're still handcuffed. It's an hour later. It is 12:52. We just finished watching the Shane Dawson 4th thing. 10 out of 10 recommend.
Yeah.
Team 10 out of 10 recommend. It's out of focus.
Yeah. Yeah, for sure. No.
Other one, this little one, the little one. So go to the dairy.
Should I? We're walking to this dairy. Still cuffed.
Really have the short straw, guys.
This is such a fun experience.
Go on.
We're gonna buy food now. So after literally 5 minutes, we decided to get
Chili caramel Tim Tams.
Guys, Emma needs to go pee-pee.
So does Amy. It's not just me.
We'll go like that and we'll block out yes, okay.
Why do we need... Okay, I'm going to block out your pee-pee. Okay. We peed.
It will get there. Hi. 3 minutes watching Happy Feet. We're tired. It's been 4 hours. Still got 20 more to go. Real
So, we've been handcuffed for 6 hours. Okay, so I'm finding new groups of friends.
We actually haven't taken these off. Like, these have been on this whole time.
Yeah, we're stupid
hid
because-
together.
Don't sis.
Gross, I hated that.
Hi. So we're off to get some chips from the fish and chip shop. And
Still handcuffed.
Don't worry, we haven't taken them off.
we're pretty loyal like that. We don't cheat. We don't mess around. People think we're a little crazy. Probably because they can see that we've got handcuffs on. But you know what I say to them? No, we're not crazy.
We're still handcuffed. be like that.
You've said that like 8 bajillion times.
It really do be like that.
Yeah, haters will say it's fake, but you know what? Every day you wake up and you've got that choice whether you want to be fake or not, and it's just your choice whether you want to be fake. And you know what? We woke up not wanting to be fake, so this ain't fake. This is real, boys. It really be like that.
It really be like that.
Hi.
We are walking back. We're walking back from the fish and chip shop, and we were waiting outside for our chips. And
With
these
our
two
number 1 fan.
number one fans. They asked, and I can't believe they even had to ask us. They asked us if we had a YouTube channel. I was like, honey,
Like we are
you
famous
should
already.
know that. Aren't we that recognizable already?
Yeah.
Like, come on.
Like literally, Rachel had fans outside of her house, like dancing with pitchforks.
She was probably one of. They were probably one of them, but then
Yeah,
they acted sly and said that they didn't know us.
If we get to 4 million views, then
Amy will do a backflip.
Sweetie, I can't even do like a front flip. Amy will do a roly poly.
Now we're gonna go eat chips.
We're sorry to disappoint you guys.
Well, I'm not sorry.
Okay, so we went to the toilet for the second time, and so while we were going to the toilet, Emma decided
To uncuff herself.
yep. But it's okay, fam, because me and Rachel,
stayed tough.
yeah, we decided to cuff each other so that we were both cuffed too. No, she promised that like when we sleep, we're still gonna sleep with our handcuffs on. It's just because Emma wanted that little bit of privacy.
Dun, dun. Emma disconnected. Guys, I'm sorry. I took off the Amy. Guys, I'm sorry. I took off the handcuffs. Update. Our handcuffs broke.
So
We tied a hair tie. Because when we were coming down the stairs, we went too fast.
oh shit.
I don't even know what happened. We're watching Camp Rock.
Well, Amy was doing the splits, and then we're coming down the stairs.
It is currently 9:36, so we've been handcuffed for 10 hours.
A few moments later.
Okay, so Emma, shush, we're making a video. Honestly, we're really triggered right now because Emma is now out of it. She's not taking part of it anymore.
I can't even see her.
So me and Rachel, it's just me and Rachel now. She's not.
She decided that she did not want to do this and that she wanted to change her t-shirt and break free. She slipped out of her handcuffs. Okay, she really did that.
She did that.
And so
So
now
now it's just me and
Amy.
Rachel. We don't know what's happening tonight. Things might go wild. A goose might come in. A goose might come in. Okay, you never know. I mean, it's a challenge for me and Rachel because we're just going through so much stuff right now. Ever since Rachel left, I mean Emma left.
It was like 10 seconds ago. It was just really hard.
So
You know
Emma,
what?
Emma.
The worst thing about betrayal is that it
Never
never
comes
comes from your enemies.
This is a learning experience. We're gonna move on from this with big smiles on our faces, like
this.
Hi, I don't know if you can see us. It's like almost 3 o'clock. We just had to go toilet and let my cat in because he was outside. It was just sleeping. She's just like, you know, here's something. We're still handcuffed. Yeah. Yeah, it really be like that. We're going back to sleep, boys.
you did it as well. We're in the next morning now, boys.
We're still in handcuffs. Emma's out.
My hands are free, boys.
Yep, she's is our designated
Filmer.
filmer.
Nothing really interesting happened last night.
Sleeping was really ugly. Like, it was not a good sleep. It was terrible. Honestly, I was waiting for it to be over because like I couldn't get to sleep and I was just like almost crying because I just wanted it to be over because it was so bad. Okay, it's right there. Where? It's yeah. It really be. We got up, boys.
So we're making pancakes. It is 10:41. Does someone want to help me?
Yeah.
We're gonna pour the wet ingredients into the dry ingredients.
Because I
I like long walks on the beach and I like
handcuffed.
yeah, like I'm into that.
Yeah, Yay, we've done it. 24 hours. Handcuffed together. What? How does it feel to be a free woman? So great, I'll do you now. Time is never coming on. What are you doing? Oh my god, I'm free! Sorry. I'm not stuck to Rachel anymore.
I
You can
immediately
cut it
feel
up.
like I'm like I need to go towards you when you like do something. I'm like.
So that was our 24-hour handcuff challenge.
We didn't.
I failed, but I'm okay with it. I don't really care, to be honest. It was going okay, but then I needed to pee again. And wait, no, this was before hour 10, like hour 7.
Yeah.
I needed to pee again, and I unhandcuffed myself, and then I handcuffed myself back in again. And then we went down and we finished watching Camp Rock, and then it was time to get ready for bed. And at this point, I was hot, I was wearing a sweater, and I wanted to get changed. But they're like, no, you can't unhandcuff yourself. And this is the 24-hour challenge. But I was like, I'm gonna overheat. And I don't want to sleep with handcuffs on. And so they were fighting me. And yeah, so they were like, no, don't take them off. And I was like, I'm gonna take them off. And then I slipped my hand out.
It was very, like I will admit, it was very uncomfortable sleeping.
Yeah.
It was sucked.
And it was not as bad as.
Yeah, it wasn't like that hard. Pardon.
But yeah, anyway, we're done. I'm never talking to them again until like next week.
Yeah, we've decided these holidays that we're not gonna actually spend too much time together because we'll get sick of each other before our trip.
If you got that, you got that. But if you didn't, sucks to be you. It wasn't fake, guys.
I could never.
Like, I would never disappoint you like that, Emma would.
No, it was actually genuinely 24
Yeah.
hours for them too.
I would personally recommend wearing a tube top. So I have to be concerned about.
Hey, goodbye!
I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe. Please subscribe. Subscribe's up there or down there or something like that.
Subscribe somewhere,
Like
please.
this video and please
please don't comment something nasty, otherwise we'll cry. Thank you, bye. Bye!